lots of Algerians, they don't like this kind of things. We have poverty. Yeah, people are jobless. They say, yeah, it's not a priority for the Algerians. We have big crisis in the health care and hospitals. Put $1 billion rather than building a mosque.